6:30 in the evening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi there, what's up, man? Be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by saying Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Peace be upon the greatest Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam by saying Alhamdulillah. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad. Hi you guys, see you again today. May Allah blessings stay with you by His blessing for those who are being sick. May Allah heal you for being in a grief or in a hardship or having a lot of problem. May Allah find you the best solutions you never predicted and prolong your age. Stay in shape and sound, stay in good luck and stay in easy life affair. Grant all your wishes in this world and hereafter. Here I'm back in English room. One of the biggest challenges in learning English is how to use expression accurately, properly, and naturally in the ear of a native speaker of English. That is why it is important for you to keep broadening your horizon in deep learning in the English language, especially in the spoken English. Now take this example. Native speakers of English never say the child is clever in school. To say anak itu pintar di sekolah in Bahasa. As we often find in local English book, it's true that this sentence is grammatically correct, but it sounds unnatural. If you want to say that a student is good academically in school or cerdas in Bahasa, we should say that child is bright or he is a bright student. That child is smart or he is a smart student or good student. A word clever has a negative connotation for a trick such as it was a clever trick, which is means licik in Bahasa Indonesia. Like I said, that English is highly idiomatic. It contains expression that is often used only in a certain context, in a particular situation. So the expressions cannot be replaced carelessly with other words, even though they have the same meaning. Okay, let's start with the word biasa, which means usual. Yeah, the word biasa can be made into a lot of different expressions in Bahasa, such as biasanya, luar biasa, terbiasa, biasa saja, hal biasa, kebiasaan, and many more. And now let's get started with the word biasa. Usual. As an example, the gardener does his usual routine at his employer's garden. Ordinary. It also means biasa. As in this example, we are just ordinary people. Common. Budi is a common name in Indonesia. That means there's a lot of Indonesian have a name of Budi. Next, regular. He is a superstar but acts like a regular fellow. Typical. Today is not a typical day. Next, normal. The young speaker looks a little shaky, which is normal. Customary. It's customary for us to go and see our relative during Idul Fitri. Next, hal biasa. We can also say this is how we express in English Why do you always make a fuss of it? It's not a big deal. It's nothing new, or it's a common practice. It's nothing extraordinary, or it's nothing unusual. It's very common. The next one is luar biasa. He is quite a guy, or he is an extraordinary man. She has unusual talent. The next one is seperti biasa. As usual, he is late, or he comes early as always. Now, terbiasa. I'm used to it. I'm accustomed to living a hard life. The next one is kebiasaan. He's made a pattern of his own life. Spitting in public is a bad habit. We have a custom of letting people marry young. In my village, back home, early, every Lebaran celebration we used to having a tradition of exchanging meals with the neighborhood. The next one, membiasakan. Get into the habit of saying hello to everyone. Next one, membiasakan diri. When you get used to working with local people, you will love. The last one, biasanya. You can say normally we pick up our crop twice a year. But traditionally, the celebration is held twice a year. Typically, Monday is always a busy day. The engine customarily uses a regular gas. Okay, that's all for today. And if you think this content is useful for you, don't forget to hit the like and share button and smash the notification bell on the right corner and down below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.